got ourselves maintenance today for one of our maintenance customers. We have an American Standard gas package unit. I started my business about a little over a year ago, and this system that we're at right now was my first job as a business. And these people are my returning customers that, have multiple properties here in the city that I live in. About 10 or 11 properties now that I service for them. They had another company that was servicing their units, before I came in the picture. I have a video that I posted about a year ago on the channel. I'll put a link in the description for it about how, honesty, being upfront and honest with people is the best way to do business. How I got these clients here was because the other company lied to them. Told them that they needed about 7 pounds of refrigerant in their system. And they called these guys, like a $50 tune-up guy, and called them to come out and do a tune-up. They came out, they lied, told them they needed all this refrigerant. And, these people did, their part by getting a second opinion, and that's what they did, and they called me. I came out, the charge was fine, but the evap was dirty, condenser coils were all plugged up, and you could tell these people were just being shady, and they were just wanting to be dishonest and, make a quick buck. But they're gone, and I am here a year later. Got myself a 11 added to the portfolio of maintenance customers, 11 properties just with this one customer, 11 properties. And this is one of them. So, guys, just be out there and just be honest, be upfront with people. Don't be shady. Give people honest opinions and assessments of their systems, and it will come back and reward you. I just wanted to make this quick little video here and just explain on how I got these customers. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be 80 degrees today in late March. Let's get ready for that season, boys. Cooling season. All right, I'm out.